This blog explores how artificial intelligence AI transforms accounts payable processes, making them more efficient, accurate, and less prone to human error. The key benefits of AI for AP professionals discussed include invoice data extraction, or AI-powered tools can automatically extract key data from invoices such as vendor names, amounts, and due dates, eliminating the need for manual entry. It also includes automated matching, where AI automates the matching of invoices to purchase orders and receipts, a process that traditionally requires significant manual effort. Fraud detection is another benefit. AI systems can identify patterns and flag unusual activity such as duplicate invoices or incorrect payment details. These tools continuously learn from new data, enhancing their ability to detect and prevent fraud in real time, reducing the risk of financial losses. With predictive analytics, AI helps with cash flow management by analyzing historical data and then forecasting payment schedules to optimize working capital. AI also streamlines communication with suppliers, automating payment notifications and improving invoice resolution, leading to faster payments and enhanced supplier satisfaction, as well as better payment terms and discounts. AI also helps with invoice approvals and workflow automation, intelligently routing invoices to the right person for review based on preset rules. Additionally, when AI handles repetitive, time-consuming tasks, organizations can reduce labor costs, improve productivity, and allocate resources more effectively, allowing teams to scale their operations without increasing headcount. The blog emphasizes that AI is not a replacement for AP professionals, but a powerful tool that enhances their work. By integrating AI into AP processes, organizations can achieve greater efficiency, accuracy, and security, ultimately driving cost savings and better financial control.